Recording in progress.
Right. Hello, my good evening. Welcome to another session. We are in the last part of the perfectly correct. We are in the last part of Unit 4. Unit 4. Uh, Now we are doing profit maximization, or we say short run behavior of a perfectly firm. Short run behavior of a perfectly competitive firm. Kalana, good evening. Can you hear me properly, Buddha?
Yes, sir. Good evening.
Right. Lamai, this is the idea. Last day I told you that so have I completed these 2 points up to these two decisions that have to be made in the perfectly firm in the short run, shutting down point and profit maximization level of output.
Yes, sir. But we haven't completed that alternative approaches.
Yeah, alternative approach. Which means profit maximizing that TR, TC, that part, right? Okay, right. Yeah, this is a simple idea, Lamai. Firm operating in a perfectly competitive market uh, faces two main problems, Lamai. Number one, market price, because firm is not able to decide the market price or the product price. In other words, firm is not able to influence the market price. They have to accept the price given by market demand and supply forces. Right, that is one of the barriers for perfectly competitive firm in the short run. Second barrier is due to the law of diminishing marginal returns, Lamai, the total cost is out of control. Right, after a particular point, total cost starts to increase at an increasing rate. That is a second we can say limitation or restrictions for the perfectly competitive firm. Even though there are barriers to the, we have, I mean, perfectly competitive firms also have to maximize profit, because their main objective is to maximize profit. So in the short run, perfectly competitive firm should make two main decisions, Lama. Number one, they have to decide the profit maximizing output level. So remember, Lamai, the highest output level does not maximize the profit. I'll repeat one more time. Highest output level of the firm does not maximize the profit. Profit is maximized at one particular output level. We have to decide that output level, what it is. Okay, the Lamai 100 units or 200 units or 300 units or 50 units. We have to decide at which point profit is maximized. Second one is Buddha, that shutting down point. At which point the firm should shut down its operations. That also a bit critical in a perfectly competitive. Okay, Dalamai. These are the two decisions that we are going to discuss today. Right? Then Buddha, to decide this, especially profit maximizing output, I'll come to the second decision, shutting down point later on. Right? Today I'm going to focus this profit maximizing level of output. How to decide profit maximizing output level. That is the today's lesson. Okay, Dalamai. There are two approaches to decide this profit maximizing output level. First one, Buddha, TRTC approach. Second one is MRNC approach. There are two alternative approaches that firm can use to determine the profit maximizing output level. First one, write down, Lamai. First one, TR. This is called total revenue. Total revenue. Total revenue and total cost approach. Total cost approach. This is called, the simple way we can say TR TRTC approach. TRTC approach. TRTC. Second one, marginal revenue. Marginal revenue. Marginal revenue, comma, marginal cost approach. Marginal cost approach. Cost. These are called MR equal MC. So MR MC approach. MR, comma, MC. These are the two approaches available. Approach. Okay, it's easy to remember. First one is TRTC approach. Second one MRMC approach. MRMC approach. The second is widely used. Second one is widely used, MRMC, but we have to discuss first one also. Shall we move on, Lamai? Yes.
Okay, sir.
Okay, right. Total TRTC approach. We are going to discuss TRTC approach. Lamai, TR, very, you know what it is, Putta. TR we have discussed several times, right? In the unit number 2 and also unit number 4 at the first part of cost of production. How to calculate TR, Punara? TR, total revenue. Yes, total revenue of the firm. How should it be calculated? Punara, TR Buddha, total revenue, simple. Any other? Nipna, TR, what is meant by TR?
Revenue earned by the
Firm, right? Yes,
sales.
very good. Yeah, by selling goods and services. How to calculate total revenue?
Price of the product into quantity.
Very good. Yes, price of the product into quantity. Right. Put a star mark and write down. These are very simple. So I'm going bit past. Right. Put a star mark and write down. The total revenue, the total income, total income generated by a firm by selling its product in the market. Very simple. Right? The total income generated by a firm by selling its products in the market. Okay, the Lamai. Right. It can be calculated. Write down Lamai. TR equals total revenue equals total revenue equals price of the product into multiplied by quantity. One. Punara, are you there, Puna? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Price into quantity. Shall we move on, Lipna? Done?
Done, sir.
Okay, simple, Lamai. I'm not going to waste more time here. Simple. Right. Total cost. But in the short run, how to calculate total cost? In the short run, perfectly competitive firm, yes. Short run cost, yes, Buddha is made of, yes, Kalana. How to calculate total cost? What are the main parts
Fixed
of
cost.
cost and variable cost? Yes, write down Buddha total cost. It refers to refers to the and say money spent to produce total money. Refers to the total amount of money. No, that is not much relevant, right? You can say Buddha, it refers to the opportunity cost of. Can you remember that? That's the best way to explain. It refers to the total opportunity cost. Total opportunity cost, because in economics, Buddha, cost of production means total opportunity cost, right? It refers to the total opportunity cost. Opportunity cost of resources. Resources used in the production process. Production process. Simple. It refers to the total opportunity cost of resources used in the production process. It consists of consists of consists of consists of total variable cost, total variable cost, and total fixed cost. Total fixed. Okay, the llama is simple. Or you can say it's sum of total fixed, sorry, total variable. Okay, the llama. Right, then Buddha write down the equation, very simple. Write down TC equals TFC plus TVC. Okay. Right, next one, profit. Alan, how to calculate profit, Buddha? Very simple. Profit mean TR minus TC. Total cost minus, sorry, total revenue minus total cost. Profit equals the difference between total revenue and total cost. Yes. Write down the equation. Profit equals total revenue. So simple way you can say that TR minus T. If you want the detailed one, you can write it down. TR minus total revenue minus total cost. Let me know once you are done. Lamai, shall we move on? Are you done? Finish writing?
Okay.
Okay. Dipna? Nara?
Done,
Done.
sir.
Okay. Right. Lamai, then you know what profit is, revenue, and total cost in the short run, right? You know how to calculate, and everything is perfect. No problem. Now, Lamai, for that, now we are going to discuss this TRTC approach based on total revenue and total cost of the firm, Buddha, how to decide profit maximizing output level. Because every output level does not maximize the profit. There's a one certain level of output which maximizes the firm's profit. So here we are going to discuss uh, the profit maximizing output level based on TRTC approach, right? You are given a table now. You can see there's a table. Right. I want you to complete the table now. The following table shows the total revenue and total cost and economic profit of a perfectly competitive firm. Output given to the total revenue given, total cost given, economic profit. How to calculate economic profit? Economic profit equals TR minus EC. TR minus EC. Okay, Buddha, let's calculate. Let's calculate the profit. Buddha, can you complete the revenue column? 0, 25, 50, 75. How much the total revenue at fourth output level? Yes. Anyone? 100. What is the logic behind that, Unara? How do you say that it's 100?
Total revenue equals output into price,
Okay. Then
and
how
the
much?
price is fixed.
How do you say that price is fixed? Yes, you are correct with that. I'm asking the reason. Yes. Why do you say that price is fixed?
Because it is a perfectly competitive market.
A competitive firm is a price taker. Very good. Right? Price doesn't change with that. Can you remember, Kalana, the theory point? Here, Lamai, look at pressed output, total revenue given. Now, how much the total revenue at pressed output level?
25.
25. How is this 25 calculated? Price into yes, I need answers for that. Price into
Quantity.
quantity. Then output is 1, quantity is 1. Total revenue also 25. Then how much the product price? Yes. How much the product price?
25.
25. Kalana, are you clear with this? Kalana, price is 25. Are you okay with that? Price of this product should be 25 rupees. Which means the firm can sell one unit at 25 rupees. As firm is a price taker, perfectly competitive firm is a price taker, they can sell any amount of quantity at the same price, 25 rupees. Alan, are you there, Buddha? Hello? Right, okay. Then, Buddha, you can complete, yes, at fourth unit, our total revenue should be 100. 4 into 25. Fifth one, how much the total revenue? 125. Then 150. 150. Right? Then 175. Next one, 200. Okay, the lamai. Next one, 225. 225. Next one, 250. Next one, 275. $300. Last one, 325. Then Buddha calculate total profit, economic profit, 325. Dipna, at zero output level, how much the economic, is it profit or loss?
Loss.
Loss, how much?
22.
22. Which means profit should be minus 22. Punara, if I ask you a question, Buddha, tell me how much the fixed cost in this firm? How much the total fixed cost of this firm?
22.
22 lamai, because at zero output level, total cost is 22. That should be the total fixed cost, because at zero output level, no variable cost. So 22. Remember that zero output level, normally there is a loss. That loss equals total fixed cost. It's a good theory point. Okay. If you are given Buddha, the loss, total loss at zero output level, that loss should be the total fixed cost of the firm. Halana, are you there, Buddha? No? Right. Next one. At first output level, how much the total, is it profit or loss, Lamai? Revenue 25, cost is 45. Profit or loss?
Loss.
Loss. How much? Minus 20. Right. Okay, Lama, you can complete the column. Right. Next one. Minus 16, right? Next one. Minus 10. Minus 10. Next one. Total revenue at fourth output level with the total revenue 100, total cost also 100. Profit is 0. This is called break-even point in accounting. There's no loss, there's no profit. Right, next one, Buddha. Then you can say at fifth output level, firm starts to earn profit. How much? That is 125, 114 mean there's a profit of 11 rupees. Profit is 11. Then next one, plus 24. Plus 24. No need plus, right? 24. Right. Then 175, 141. How much the profit, Lamai? Dipna? 34. Isn't it? Yes. Next one. How much the total profit? At 8th output level, total revenue 200, total cost 160. Profit is 40. Next one. How much the total profit? 17 plus 25 is in 42. Lamaya, are these values correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 40 gain profit. Then 30 profit is 30 rupees. Next one, profit is again it's 0. 300, 300. Profit is 0. At 13th output level, total profit, I think it converts to loss again. How much the loss? Total revenue 220 for 325, total cost 360. Then loss is 35 minus 35. Are you okay with these values, Puta? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then Buddha, tell me, at which output level profit is maximized? At which output level the firm earns maximum profit?
Ninth output.
Ninth output level. Highlight the output level, lama, highlight the row. This is called profit maximizing output level. Alana, aren't you there, Buddha? Hello?
Yes, I'm there.
Okay.
I had a connection issue, sir.
Okay. Buddha, we are completing the table that another PRTC. Very simple, total revenue given, total cost given. We have calculated economic profit. At ninth output level, Kalana, the firm earns the maximum profit. That is called profit maximizing output level. Then you can see Buddha. Then මෙහෙම කියන්න බෑ ළමයි. Sir, at ninth output level, when firm produces 9 units, total profit is 42. So if firm doubles the output, it's mean 18 units, 9 into 2, profit also will be double. 42 into 2 mean, sir, profit will be 84. එහෙම වෙන්නේ නෑ ළමයි. Clear? That's totally wrong. In the perfect, I mean, in business world or especially this market structures, lamai, even though we increase the output, lamai, the profit does not essentially increase, lamai. Okay, so even though we double the sorry production, profit won't be double, right? So remember, lamai, here there's only one output, one level of output where the profit is maximized. This is called profit maximizing output level of the perfectly complete firm, right? So ninth output level, in my example, at ninth output level, firm earns the input in the short run. Firm should operate at ninth output level. In the short run, firm should produce 9 units. That is the final advice to the firm. Okay, Buddha. If they produce 12 units, again profit becomes 0 and useless, pointless of producing 12th output. Right? If they produce 13 output, there will be a loss minus 35, loss of 35 rupees. So best output to produce is 9 units. Are you okay with this? Any problem?
No,
Please.
Yeah, right. Okay, the llama, right. But that row, highlight this, the entire row. This is called profit maximizing output level. Profit maximizing. Output level. Profit maximizing. Profit maximizing output. Right. Then for the our very important point is I want you to show this profit maximizing output level based on TRTs on a graph. The most important one. For that, I don't want you to draw this TRTC curves on a scale. Might will take more time. So based on this, by looking at, we can draw a sketch, right? Because we know the profit maximizing output level. There are 2 output levels where profit becomes 0. So based on, without the scaling, without scales, we can draw a TRTC and profit line. Okay, the llama. If you want, you can get a graph sheet and draw it perfectly. You can see the profit maximizing output level and you know, the behavior of cost curve, total revenue curve, everything perfectly. But I'm not going to waste time, Lama. I'll just draw a sketch. That's enough to explain. Okay, right. But based on this diagram, based on this table, we can draw TRTC and profit curve separately. Right? You can use this the space given. The above table can be shown in a diagram. Right. So that this is the most important one. Right. You should be able to explain this diagram, this graph. Right. Look at the board. Lamai, this is quantity output. Okay, the Lamai. This is TR and TC. Buddha, we have drawn this curve separately. TR curve, can you remember? TR, TC, my God, how many times we've drawn them? Okay, you know behavior, no problem. TR or TC output. Right, okay, Buddha. Let's start with TR. Tell me, Lamai, how is it going? TR curve. Color, how is the behavior of TR? Total revenue of perfectly competitive firm. Matakada Lamai, total revenue. In the market structures what I discussed. Yes, total revenue curve. It's upward
It is
sloping curve.
upward sloping.
Yeah, very good. Starting from the origin. This is total revenue curve. Okay, the Lamai. What about total cost? Matakada Lamai. Total cost. Memukad the Lamai. Total fixed cost. What is this? Total variable cost. What is this? Total cost. Okay, the Lamai. I want you to draw total cost curve, Lamai. You can mark those points with and you can draw it, but I want just a sketch, Lamai, right? You know the shape. This is the shape of TC curve. Lamai, total cost curve starts with fixed cost. Here, the total fixed cost should be 22 in my example, right? So TC starts at 22. This is a shape of total cost curve. This is TC. Is total cost curve. But that here I'm not going to draw TVC and TFC. Not required to show the profit. TC and TR enough. Okay, right. Now, please look at the board. I'll give you time to write it down. Please look at the board. Then put the below the TRTC curves, I'm going to draw a profit line. Profit. This is profit and quantity. Okay, the Lamai. Here, Lamai, you can see TRTC are equal. Here, I think output should be 4. Am I correct, Lamai? If two curves are intersect, Buddha, it means that values of these two curves are equal. At fourth output level, TR and TC equal. If TR, TC equal, Lamai, the profit is 0. That is called break-even point in accounting, right? So at this point, Lamai, profit is 0. It's been here. Profit is 0. Right. Put below output level, below 4. This means first output, second, third. From 0 to 4th output level, 0 to 4th output level, Punara, tell me, is firm making profit or losses, Puda? 0 to 4.
Losses.
Losses. Puda, look at the diagram. You can see total cost curve is above total revenue curve. Right? This is total revenue curve. I'm talking about the output level between 0 to 4. Right? Between 0 and 4, the total cost is above total revenue curve. Right? Total cost is above total revenue curve. What does it mean, Buddha? Firm is making losses. So in this range, Buddha, the profit should be minus values. Minus. Maximum minus value should be for 22, minus 22. Are you okay with this? Yes? Right. Okay, the lamai. Then when firm produces for fifth output level, sixth output level, you can see that TR is greater than TC. Between 4 to 12th output level, I think taken it should be 12. Okay, the lamai. 0 to 12th output level, what happens? Okay, the lamai. Look at this range, lamai. This is TC curve, this is TR. TR is above TC, lamai. TR is above TC. Alana, tell me, is firm making profit or losses, Buddha? In the range of 4 to 12.
Profits.
Profit, lamai. Yes, profits. Because in this range, you can see total revenue is greater than total cost. Yes, profit, lamai. Right? So after output, fourth output level, firms starts to make profit, lamai. At this output level, this means at ninth output level, lamai, profit is maximized. Profit is maximized at ninth output level. The profit curve reaches its maximum, and again, Buddha, it starts to decrease. Starts to decrease, right? Beyond output level 12, lamai, 12 output level, again, firm starts to make. This is called profit curve. Phi is used to indicate profit. Okay, Nalamai. So you can see Buddha, profit is maximized. Profit is maximized at ninth output level. At ninth output level. At ninth output level. Okay, Nalamai. Buddha, when profit is maximized, or we can say at the profit maximized in output level, if you are given TRTC curves, at the profit maximizing output level, you can see Buddha, the vertical gap be positive gap. Vertical positive gap between TR and TC is maximized. Vertical positive gap now. Vertical positive gap between TR and TC curves is maximized here. This is the largest positive gap between, at ninth output level, we can see the largest positive output gap between positive gap between TR and TC. Okay, the point. So this is the profit maximizing output level. If you are given TR and TC lamai, this is TR curve, this is TC curve. How to decide the profit maximizing output level lamai? Take the output level, whatever, 100 or 120 or whatever, which makes the biggest positive gap between TR and TC lamai. That is the profit maximizing output level. Did you get what I said? Any question?
Clear, sir.
Clear the lamai. Punara?
Clear, sir.
Clear ne? Dipna okay the Buddha. Nathan kiyanna?
Clear, sir.
Clear ne? Right. ඒ කියන්නේ ඔයාලට TRTC curve දෙකක් දීලා කිව්වොත් profit maximizing output level එක ගන්න කියලා. At which output level profit is maximized. කොහොමද කරන්නේ ළමයි? ඔයා ගන්න ඕන මේ දෙන්නගේ අර the biggest positive gap between TR and TC. Okay ද ළමයි? Positive gap. දැන් මේ වගේ gap එකක් තියෙනවා. මේකේ positive gap නෙමෙයි මේවා negative gap. Because TC is greater than TR. Okay ද ළමයි? I'm talking about positive output gap, biggest positive output gap between TR and TC. That is the output level which maximizes the profit. Simple now. This is called TR-TC approach. Right. Okay, Buddha, you can draw it. Okay, ළමයි. ළමයි මේ වගේ losses තියෙන්නේ from 0 to 4th output level. These are losses. Beyond 12th output, again TC is above TR. It's been again losses now. Losses. Let me know once you are done. ළමයි no need scale.
Done, sir.
Right. Okay. Alana, Dipna.
Done, sir.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Right. Dipna. Okay. Then Lamai. Okay. Below the diagram. Sorry, next page. Now diagram is okay. Done. Write down Lamai. Small description. Write down according to the diagram. According to the diagram. Press point Lamai. You can say in the output range of 0 to 4. 0 to 4. 0 to 4 as TC is above the TR. You can say Buddha in the output range just 0 to 4. As TC is above the TR curve, total revenue curve, the firm makes economic losses. Economic losses. Okay, Dalamai. Right. Second point. At the fourth output level, and 12th output level, 12th output level, what happens, Lama? Twelfth output level, TR and TC are equal. TR and TC are equal. So no profit, no losses. So no profit, or losses. So that these are called break-even points, BEP. Break-even points, no profit, no losses. No profit, no losses. Next one. In the output range, of 4 to 9. No, sorry, 4 to 12, right? 12. The firm makes profits as TR is greater than greater than C. Next one. At the ninth output level. Sorry. The ninth output level. Ninth output level. The positive gap between TR and TC. The positive gap between TR and T is maximized, or we can say that is the maximized. Which is known as profit maximizing output level. Profit maximizing output level in the short run. The short run. Which okay, the lamai. Right. I think it's clear for you. Then lamai, remember this point. Thus, a competitive firm maximizes profit. A competitive firm, it's been perfectly competitive firm, maximizes profits by selecting the output level that makes the largest positive difference between TR and TC. This is how we choose the profit maximizing output level. We decide the profit maximizing output level based on TR and approach. Any question, Buddha? Any problem? Any question? Clarification? TRTC approach done. Yes, Lamai? Alana, Dipna, Punara?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay, Lamai. Then MRMC approach. Before I move into MRMC approach, I'll give a brief introduction for this MR and MC. Based on this TR and TC curves, we can get the MRMC values as well, right? Listen carefully. It's with mathematical explanation. Listen. I'm sure that you will be able to understand the point. Right. Lamai, this is TRTC curves. TR and TC. 0, 1 TT. This is TR curve, Lamai. And this is the shape of TC. Lamai, how to calculate the slope of a curve? Slope of a curve. Yes. How to calculate TR, slope of TR curve, Lamai? Slope of TR. Yes, anyone, Buddha? How to calculate slope? Yes, lamai. Slope change in dependent variable over change in independent, right? මතකද රෝල් එක කරා ළමයි. Change in y over change in x. Okay, ළමයි. In I want you to calculate slope of TR lamai. Then how to calculate slope of TR? Change in TR over change in Q. This is how the slope of TR is calculated lamai. Right? For that, change in TR, delta TR over delta Q. Can you give an alternative word for this? Delta TR over delta Q. Kalana?
Marginal
MR.
revenue.
Very good. You said MR, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Then the slope of TR curve equals marginal revenue. Marginal revenue. Kalana, are you okay with this? Dipna?
Okay, sir.
එකේ ඔයාගේ TR curve එකේ slope එක කැල් කරොත් ළමයි ඔයා කොහොමද කැල් කරන්නේ delta TR එකේ change එක අරගෙන ඒක divide කරන්න change in quantity. හරිද? slope එක කියන්නේ MR වලට ළමයි. Clearද? Right. Then Buddha, I want you to calculate slope of TC. Slope of TC curve. How to calculate lamai? Change in total cost over change in quantity. Kalana, is it familiar for you? Are you familiar with this? Delta TC over delta Q. Don't say no. Delta TC over delta Q. What is it?
MC.
MC lamai. Okay, the lamai. Slope of TR curve is marginal revenue. Slope of TC is MC. Lamai, if two curves are parallel, slope of those curves are equal. I'll repeat one more time. If two curves are parallel, lamai. If two curves are parallel, not values of these two curves are equal. Point is, Puta, if two curves are parallel, assume this is X curve, this is Y curve. If two curves are parallel, slopes of these two curves, slope of X and slope of Y are equal. Okay, the lamai. So here you can see lamai at this point, at profit maximizing output level, in our example, Buddha, profit maximizing output level is 9. At profit maximizing output level, lamai, TR and TC curves are parallel, lamai, parallel each other. You get my point? Okay, the lamai. At 9th output level or profit maximizing output level, lamai, TR, TC are parallel. Okay, the lamai. It means, lamai, if two curves are parallel, slope of those two curves, right? It means slope of TR and slope of TC. Slope of TC are equal. Slope of TR is MR, lamai. Slope of TC is MC. Okay, the lamai. So at the profit maximizing output level, right? The output level which makes the biggest positive distance between TR and TC, lamai, MR and MC also equal. Okay, Buddha, I'll repeat one more time. Don't get me wrong. My point is, Buddha, I'm not saying that when two curves are parallel, TR and TC are equal. No. I'm saying that when TC and TR curves are parallel, slope of TR and TC are equal. Did you get my point? Kalana, Dipna, Kunara?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, the lamai. මං කියන්නේ TR TC equal වෙනවා කියලා නෙමෙයි ළමයි. ඒ වගේ slopes equal වෙනවායි කියලා ළමයි. පටල ගන්න එපා. Okay, the lamai. So remember, at profit maximizing output level, lamai, marginal cost and marginal revenue are. Okay, the lamai. This is another way, alternative way to prove this. Okay, the lamai. If you want, write this down. Otherwise, forget it. No, don't forget it, Buddha. I have explained it. Wasting more than 10 minutes. Write it somewhere. Use a sticky note or In the page number 5, you have enough space for the top of the page. You can write this this way. You can say, Lamai, when two curves are parallel, write down. When two curves are parallel, when two curves are parallel now. What happens, Lamai? Slope of two curves. Slope of two curves should be equal, Lamai. Not should be, must be equal. Must be equal. Okay. So when so at the profit maximizing output level, equal as at the profit maximizing output level, it's been put in our example ninth output level, slope of TR and TC should be equal. Okay, the lamai. So at profit maximizing output level, the slope of TR should be equal with slope of TC. Okay, the lamai. Slope of TR mean delta TR over delta Q. Slope of TC mean delta TC over delta Q. So delta TR over delta Q mean MR lamai equals delta TC over delta Q mean MC. So at profit maximizing output level, MR equal. If you draw a separate diagram, lamai, no need to draw. Can you remember the MR curve, lamai? In a perfectly competitive firm, if the curve is a straight line and upward sloping, that slope should be constant, lamai. So that's why MR is constant. If curve is a straight line and upward sloping, the slope should be constant. MC, matakada lamai? May mana MC yan? This is the MC curve. This is MC curve, lamai. Okay, the lamai. This is MC curve. At profit maximizing output level, both MR and MC should be equal. This is 9th output level. No need to draw the right. Only that the explanation. Copy it down. That's enough. So that understand the theory point first, then you can do calculations with that. Simple. Buddha, we will be drawing MRMC curve very, detailed, and explanations will be given very detailed because MRMC approach is the most advanced one in your level, right? So don't worry about this curves, MRMC. Just understand the point. When two curves are parallel in mathematics, lamai, slope of two curves should be equal. As at the profit maximizing output level, 9th output level, slope of TR and TC should be equal, right? So because two curve at that output level, with the two curves becomes parallel, right? So slope of T at that point, slope of TR, slope of TC should be equal. Slope of TR mean MR, slope of TC mean MC. So at 9th output level, TR and MR and MC. This is second condition. When profit is maximized, MR of the perfectly competitive firm should be equal MC, marginal cost of the perfectly. Shall we move on, Lamai? Need more time?
Done, sir.
Dipna, Kalan?
Done, sir.
Okay. Then Buddha, profit maximizing output level based on MRMC analysis. Right? Buddha, I'm not going to explain MRMC. You know what it is. MR mean marginal revenue is the additional amount of total revenue when output is increased by additional unit. You know the idea. MC mean Buddha, the increase in total cost when output is increases by 1 unit, right? So I'm not going to explain the idea. Lamai, can you complete this table? Same example. Huh? I'm going to show you at the profit maximizing output level, MR equal MC, Lamai. Right? You can calculate the MR, so complete the MR MC columns of the table. Yes, here my revenue, it should be 50, 75, red. The same example we analyzed in the TR-TC approach. 100, 125, 150, it goes on. Punara, tell me Buddha, how much the marginal revenue of the firm? Yes, marginal. Buddha, no marginal revenue for pressed output, zero output level. It's sense. So that pressed output level, how much the marginal revenue? Punara?
25.
25. Okay, because when pressed output is added to the total output, Buddha, that total revenue increases by 25. So marginal revenue of pressed unit should be 25. Right. Kalana, marginal revenue of second unit.
25.
25. Yes. Absolutely is 25. Dipna, marginal revenue of third output. How much revenue added to the total revenue by the third unit, Buddha? Yes. How much?
25.
25 doesn't change. Can you remember? Price of the product and marginal revenue of the firm are equal. In the perfectly competitive firm, MR and price equal. Right? So everywhere it's 25, no problem. Same, 25, 25, 25. Right. Calculate the marginal cost. That is not equal. Not equal. They're different. Ugly. Here no, 0. Next one, 25. Copy paste. Right, 25. Let me complete the marginal first column. 25. Right. Okay, but the marginal cost values, can you tell me? 0 output, but no marginal cost values used. Without production, there cannot be marginal cost value. 0. Sorry, no value. Can you tell me marginal cost values? First, marginal cost of pressed unit. Yes, 20. No. How much is it, Buddha? Yes. Alana, marginal cost of pressed unit. Hurry up, Lamai, hurry up.
23.
23. Second one. 21 the Lamai. And the marginal cost of third unit. Punara. How much? It 19.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next one, marginal cost of fourth unit. 15.
15.
Okay. Next one, marginal cost of next unit. 14. Next one, marginal cost of sixth unit. Is it 12?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Next one, is it, Lama, I don't know these values. Tell me whether it's correct or wrong. Is it 15? Yeah. Next one. How much? Is it 19?
90.
90. Next one, it's 20, 25. Next one, marginal cost value is 27. Next one, marginal cost is 35 the lamai. Alana?
Yes, sir.
35. Here 25. Marginal revenue value doesn't change. 25. Right. Next one also 25. Right. Putha, you can see at profit maximizing output level. Listen very carefully. Profit maximizing output level. Dipna, are you okay with this completing part, Putha? MC and MR? Any problem?
No, sir.
No. Dipna?
No, sir.
No. Punara?
No, sir.
No. Then Buddha, you can see, highlight the profit maximizing output level, ninth output level. You can see very special characteristic, Buddha, very special thing at ninth output level. What is that? Yes. What is that? At ninth output level, Buddha, marginal cost 25. Marginal cost 25. How much the marginal revenue?
25.
Yes, 25. Okay, the Lama, right? Job done. Okay, this is the only one output level, Buddha, right? At ninth output level, you can see marginal cost of the product and marginal revenue of the product are equal. This is a profit maximizing output level. This is Buddha, highlight the row and say, highlight it and you can say this is profit maximizing output level. Okay, the Lama, profit. This is called profit maximizing output. Profit maximizing output. Okay, the Lama. Right. I'm going to explain this approach another way. It's in different way. Please listen, Lama. This part is really important. I have seen so many past paper questions. Okay, the Lama. Right. Lama, tell me, look at the table and answer. By looking at the table, please. By looking at the table, please answer the question I'm asking. First one, Lamai. Tell me first unit. First unit. Buddha, if we produce first unit, this firm produces first unit, how much revenue added by the first unit? How much revenue added to the total revenue by the first unit? Punara, how much the marginal revenue of the first unit?
Zero.
No, marginal revenue of first unit, Buddha. First, not zero. First unit.
25.
25. Marginal revenue of first unit is 25. How much the marginal cost of first unit? Kalana.
Oh, 21.
21.
23. 23.
23. Okay. What does it mean, Lama? Understand the logic behind this. If we produce first output to the marginal revenue increase, I mean, the revenue increases by 25, while cost increase, total cost increases by 23. Both increase, but marginal, the total revenue increases by 25, while marginal revenue increases by 25, while marginal cost increases by 23. Then if you calculate marginal profit by producing first output Buddha, we have something additional. I mean 2 rupees added to the total profit. My next question, Buddha, should this firm produce this first output or not?
Yes.
Yes. Should first output be produced or not? Punara.
Should be produced.
Should be produced lamai. Why? Because production of pressed unit puta increases the profit by not big amount, but it increases profit. Marginal profit is there. Marginal profit value is positive. So remember lamai, pressed output, yes, we should produce pressed output lamai. Okay the lamai. What about second output? Marginal revenue 25, marginal cost 21. Okay the lamai. Tell me, it means marginal cost, sorry, marginal revenue is greater than marginal cost. My next question lamai, should this unit be produced or not? Dipna. මෙයා ප්‍රඩියස් කරොත් ළමයි total revenue එක increase වෙනවා 25 වලින් මෙයාව ප්‍රඩියස් කරන්න යන cost එක 21 මම ඔයාගෙන් අහන්නේ මේ firm එක මේ second output එක produce කරන්නද එපාද?
Should be produced.
Should be produced ළමයි, because yes, second output level also should be produced ළමයි. Third output level, third one, marginal revenue 25, marginal cost 15. ළමයි, should this unit, I mean third output level, be produced or not?
It should be produced.
Should be produced ළමයි. Yes. Okay the ළමයි. ළමයි, what about, right, then I'm not going to discuss other fourth output level, fifth one, sixth one. What about 10th output level? 10th output level, marginal cost, sorry, marginal revenue 25, marginal cost of producing 10th output level is how much ළමයි? 27. But if we produce 10th output level, we can additionally earn 25, but additional cost is 27 of producing this 10th output level. Dipna, tell me, should I produce this output level or not? It means marginal revenue is less than marginal cost. Punara, මොකද කියන්නේ පුතා? Sorry, Dipna, මොකද කියන්නේ දරු? Should this output be produced or not? 10th one.
Should not produce.
Should or shouldn't?
Should not.
Should not produce ළමයි. මෙයා produce කරොත් මොකද වෙන්නේ ළමයි? මෙයා produce කරොත් මෙයා අපේ total revenue එකට add කරන්නේ 25. හැබැයි මෙයා අපේ total cost එකට add කරනවා 27 ළමයි. Marginal profit is -2. ඒ කියන්නේ මෙයාව produce කරන්න එපා ළමයි. Okay ද ළමයි? So if marginal cost is greater than marginal revenue ළමයි, reduce the output level. It means 10th output level shouldn't be produced. Okay the lamai. What about 9th? At 9th output level lamai, both marginal revenue and marginal cost are equal lamai. Okay the lamai. Puta, at this level, please stop production. Right? Marginal cost equal marginal revenue. When marginal revenue and marginal cost are equal, lamai, that is the profit maximizing output level. Did you get what I said, lamai? At 9th output level, when marginal cost and marginal revenue are equal, lamai, don't decrease the production or don't increase the production. Okay, it's increase in production also not good, decrease in the production also not good. This is called profit maximizing output level lamai. Did you get what I said? This is called golden rule of profit maximization. Which rule? Sorry, what rule? Golden rule. හරිද? ඔයා ෆර්ම් එකකට ගිහිල්ලා අහන්න එයාගේ මාර්ජිනල් රෙවෙනියු එක කීයද කියලා ළමයි. අනිවාර්යෙන් මේ දෙන්න අහන්න ඕනේ. හරි? Marginal revenue. How much your marginal revenue? එයා කිව්වොත් ළමයි එයාගේ marginal revenue is greater than marginal cost. What is your advice? Keep increasing production. Keep increasing. Okay, ද ළමයි යාට කියන production එක increase කරන්න. Buy නැතුව increase කරන්න ළමයි. Clearද? This is the advice as economic student ළමයි. ඔයා යන්න perfectly completed අපි බලමු questions ළමයි. හරිද? ගිහිල්ලා අහන්න marginal revenue එක කීයද? එයා කියනවා 25. Right. Marginal cost එක කීයද? 20 rupees. Marginal revenue is greater than marginal cost. මොකද්ද ඔයාගේ advice එක ළමයි? Increase the production. Keep increasing. Right? So strategy should be increasing production ළමයි. When you ask marginal cost and marginal revenue, Buddha, if marginal cost is greater than marginal revenue, what is your advice? What is a firm's strategy? Decrease the production, lamai. Decrease the production. Up to which point, Buddha? Decrease the production until marginal cost equal marginal revenue. This is called golden rule of profit maximization. When marginal revenue equals marginal cost, firm earns the maximum profit. Did you get what I said? Okay. So if marginal revenue equal marginal cost, no need to either increase or decrease the production. So that this is called a type of, this is called, the rest, type of rest, right? Stay at rest, right? Because this is called profit maximizing output level. Output level. Output. Okay, lamai. At this output level, lamai, there is no possibility either to increase the output level or decrease the output level. This is called equilibrium. Firm's equilibrium in the short run. What equilibrium? Firm's equilibrium in the short run. Can you remember the definition of equilibrium, Lama? Equilibrium means situation where there's a no tendency or possibility either to increase or decrease the whatever output or price or whatever. That is called equilibrium. When firm's marginal revenue and marginal cost are equal to the firm should not increase the output level or decrease the output. Firm should stay at the same output level at where MR equal MC. That is called the profit maximizing output level or golden rule for profit maximizing. Okay, then right. I think it's clear for you. Punara, Kalana, Ipna.
Clear, sir.
Clear neda. But I'm මතකයි ළමයි මම O level කාලේ හිතන් හිටියේ sorry O level නෙමෙයි A level කාලේ මම A level කරාදී මම හිතන් හිටියේ ළමයි the profit is maximized when MR is greater than MC. මේක TR නෙමෙයි නේ ළමයි මේක MR. Right? So it's completely wrong. Profit should be maximized when MR equal MC. Okay, I think it's okay. Right. Okay, lamai. Give me 1 minute, lamai. Uda, if you want, you can write this down, copy this down. Page number 8. There's a space in the top of the page above the topic, lamai. Above the topic. Right. Or take a screenshot, lamai. In the page number 8, Puta, there's a topic determination of profit maximizing output level using MRMC approach. I'm going to draw the curve, lamai. No need to draw, you know what it is. We have drawn MRMC curve separately. I might get this done and tell me once you are completed. When MR and MC are equal, the firm earns the maximum profit. When MR and MC are equal, firm makes the maximum profit. So firm does not have any motivation. Firm does not have any intention either to increase or decrease the output level, right? That is called equilibrium level of output level, or we say the state of rest, right? Can you remember the equilibrium, market equilibrium? If market comes to the equilibrium, Buddha, when demand and supply are equal, there's no possibility increase the market price or decrease the market price. State of rest, right? When MRMC equal, that is called profit maximizing output level, and also this is also known as firm's equilibrium level. Firm's equilibrium. Firm does not try to increase the output level or decrease the output level. The reason is for the profit. The firm has come to the maximum profit. If they increase the output level, the current profit level will be reduced. If they decrease the output level, same thing happens. The current level, profit level decrease. So this is the maximum, or we can say optimum output level. Okay, right. We'll move into the graph. No need scale. This is a theory, right? I'm explaining theory, right? I'll do past paper questions and I'll show you how practically these theory points are applied, Lama. No problem. Right. MR, I'm talking about page number 8. The graph in the page number 8. There's a box. In the box, you can draw the MRMC. Lama, this is MR and MC. MR and MC. Q 0. So that this is the MR curve or ARO price of the product. Okay, the lamai. MC lamai. This is the MC curve. Matakada meyawa lamai. So U shape ni lamai. Meka tamai MC curve. Where's the profit maximized in output level? Lamai, profit is maximized in a perfectly competitive firm. Profit is maximized when marginal cost and marginal revenue are equal. Right? In our example, the 9th is the output level where MR equal MC. No need values, Buddha, right? In our example, marginal revenue is 25. Lama, 1 minute, please. 1 minute. Lama, if you extend this curve, marginal cost curve, you can see marginal revenue and marginal cost. At this point, assume we don't know, let's say put the third output level. You can see marginal cost and marginal revenue. These two curves are intersect at 2 points. Lama. Did you get what I said? The method marginal cost, marginal revenue equal. Here also marginal revenue and marginal cost are equal. Tell me, Buddha, are both points maximizing profit or 1 point maximizes the profit? Do both points maximize the profit or just 1 point maximizes the profit. Yes, ළමයි? මම ඔයාලට මම කියන එක clear ඇති ළමයි. Third output එකෙත් ළමයි marginal cost equal marginal revenue. ඇයි curves දෙක මේ intersect වෙනවනේ ළමයි. 9th එකෙත් මොකද වෙන්නේ ළමයි? මේ marginal cost and marginal revenue equal ළමයි. My next question Buddha, do both output levels makes the maximum profit or only one output level? Punara? Only one Buddha, 9th output level. Buddha, remember, actually two conditions must be fulfilled. Don't jump to the conclusion of profit maximization when just MR equal MC. MR should be equal MC when profit is maximized, and also Buddha, remember, MC curve should be rising, right? MC curve should be increasing. Here you can see Buddha, MC curve is decreasing. There's a downward or downward sloping shape. At the profit maximizing output level, MR should be, MR and MC should be equal. That is a first condition. Plus, there's another one. At that output level, when MR and MC are equal, marginal cost should be rising, should be increasing. Did you get what I said? So, even though MR equal MC, don't jump to the conclusion of profit maximizing. Okay, the lamai. Look at the behavior of MC curve as well. If it is upward or if it is increasing, that's okay. That's the profit maximizing output level. Did you get what I said, Buddha? MR equal MC, yes. Plus, there's another condition. At the profit maximizing output level, MR equal MC. MR should be equal MC when marginal cost is rising. Did you get what I said? Kalana, Dipna? At this point, the profit is not maximized. Only this output level, 9th output level, profit is maximized. Any question?
Clear, sir.
Clear? Right. Can you draw the
Clear,
curve?
sir.
Okay. So that don't show this output level in the diagram. Will mess up. අර ඇත්තටම ළමයි අපි golden rule of profit maximization MRMC කියලා කිව්වට තව එකක් ඇත්තට මේකේ fulfill වෙන්න ඕනේ. මොකද්ද ළමයි? මොකද්ද condition එක ළමයි? At profit maximizing output level, marginal cost should be equal marginal revenue. And what is second condition? But the marginal cost should be increasing, should be rising. Let me know once you are done. Lamai, are you done? Need more time?
Done, sir.
Okay. Punara, Dipna. So that if you want extra time, no problem. Yes.
Done, sir.
Done. Dipna?
Done, sir.
Done. Okay, right. Listen 1 minute, please, Lamai. Please put understand the road map of this lesson, where we are going, right? Here, Buddha, we are talking about the profit maximizing output level of perfectly competitive firm. Because at every output level or the highest output level does not give the maximum profit for the firm. We have to decide profit maximizing output level based on, especially mathematics. Analytical way, we have to decide the profit maximizing output level. Then in your level, there are two approaches to determine profit maximizing output level. First one is TRTC approach. So if you are given TRTC curves, how would you decide the profit maximizing output level? How would you recognize the profit maximizing output level, Alana?
MR should be equal to
No.
MC
If
and
you are
MC
given,
should be IC.
no. Sorry, yeah, it's correct. Yes. If you are given TRTC curves, how would you decide the profit maximizing output level? Yes. In the exam, if you were given TRTC curves, Lamai, how would you choose the profit maximizing output level? That is my question. Yes, Lamai.
The biggest positive gap between
TR
TR
and
and TC.
TC. Very good. Alana, are you clear? Biggest positive gap
Yes.
between TR and TC. Yes. Okay, the Lamai. In the what is second approach for the MR equal MC? How to determine the profit maximizing output level based on MR equal MC? At the profit maximizing output level, or when firm makes the maximum profit, put the MR equal MC. Not only that, but is second one. Ripna, but is second small condition. Yes, absolutely. When profit is maximized, MR should be equal MC. No problem, no any doubt. It's perfect condition. Golden rule of profit maximization. Yes, but that's not enough, Buddha. There's another condition. What is that? Ripna?
It should be rising.
Yeah, MC should be rising. Okay, the Lamai. This is a summary of the lesson, Lamai. Okay. Okay, Lamai. Let's. I'll be completing that the dotted line. There are 3 spaces given below the diagram. I'll complete that Sunday class. Okay. Okay, Lamai. That's enough today. Any question? Any doubt? Lamai, you should be given a midterm test paper. But last week I was sick. I was not well. So everything went wrong. Couldn't the classes and cancel classes and postpone. Right. I'll do it as soon as possible. Okay, Lamai, that's enough today. I hope you are clear with the lesson I did today. Guys, are you okay with this? Any problem? Any question? Especially this logical part to the. I don't want you to just blindly memorize these things. I don't like that. I hate memorizing. Yes. Are you okay with this? Alana?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Unara? Dipna? Okay. Right. Okay, Lamai, that's enough today. We'll discuss more. Okay. Bye. Good night. See you next day. Sunday class, yes. It will be at 7:50. Okay. Right. Okay, Lamai. Bye.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir. Good night.
Goodbye.
Thank you, sir.